Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome. Welcome to Jazz and Marty. I'm Marty, and I have a question for you. Are your game nights getting a little stale?
Yup.
Do you need a little something to spice them up?
Yup.
Alright, well, I have the perfect thing for you. So today we're going to be making this. It's a game night championship belt. Alright? Now, there's a certain level of responsibility if you're going to be making this belt that you have to abide by when you do it. And that responsibility is you have to talk mad. Okay, hold on, folks. We have some breaking news here. We're going to go live via satellite to the living room where we've just crowned our brand new game night champion. Hey, champ, how you doing? First question. Some people will say that you look like a more handsome version of myself. So my question to you is, are you in fact me? That's ridiculous. I don't understand where people come up with this stuff. Like, how could I possibly be you? We got different hats on. You're right, champ. That makes complete sense. All right. So my second question to you is this. You are sopping wet right now. No doubt from that vicious Candyland victory that you just had. So my question to you is, how does it feel to be the game night champion? Feel? See, that's the problem right there. Feelings. I left my feelings over there where those Candyland pieces are. Now listen, I don't care if it's Monopoly, Collect 4, Chutes and Ladders, Operation, Jenga, Parcheesi. It doesn't matter. None of my family can stack up to me. It doesn't matter if it's my mother, my father, my little sister, my Uncle Terry with the Twitch. Hell, even my grandmother can get this work. Matter of fact, let me speak to my grandmother directly. Grandma, if you ever think that you can go toe-to-toe with the champ, think again. Because you're going to be leaving here the same way that you showed up, and that's empty-handed. Listen, I'm just going to keep this short and sweet. You see this right here? This means that in this house, I'm the best. And as far as everybody else goes, they all suck. Alright? That's it. Interview over. Champ out. Alright, folks, you heard it from the champ. Between me and you, even I want to beat his ass. Hey, Mom, why don't you get over here and freshen the champ's drink?
Boy, who the hell you think you're talking to?
Here's what you're gonna need. Scotch tape, a ruler, glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, a pen, Velcro, a glue stick, these bronze paper fasteners, a razor blade, gold tape. Now this is gold metallic washi tape, black duct tape, printer paper, a printer, clear craft gems, contact paper. Now this is the faux leather contact paper, a large cardboard box, 2 of them. Step 1, you need to print out your printouts. Now I added a link down in the description down below where you can print out all of the things that you need for this project. I marked the ones that needed to be printed out on the white computer paper with a W, and then I marked the ones that needed to be printed out on the gold computer paper with a G. Alright, so we're going to start with the white computer paper. And once you print it out, you should have something that looks like this. Now the straps are numbered, so let's cut these out and then move on to the next step. Alright, and when you finish cutting, you should have something that looks like this. Now I numbered all of the pieces, so all you have to do is put them in order, kind of like a puzzle, like this. And then you want to take your Scotch tape and you want to tape them all together. Alright, now let's move over to the next step. Okay, next you want to bring your cardboard over and you want to lay it flat on your surface. Then you want to take your recently cut out pieces and you want to lay them on your cardboard, trace them with your pen, and use your razor blade to cut them out. Alright? Alright, and when you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Alright? But we're not done yet. so next we want to take our strap template, and you see this inner shape that's on the inside. We want to take that, we want to cut it out, trace it on our cardboard, and then cut that out. Alright, and when you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Alright, I swear this is the end of the cardboard. Alright, now let's move over to the next one. Next, we want to take our duct tape and cut 1/2 inch long strips from it. Then we want to lay those strips along the outside edges of our belt. This will cover up those cardboard holes. When you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Next, roll out your contact paper leather side down. Then lay the front of your belt on the contact paper. Then we want to trace it and cut it out. Next, you want to peel the backing off and lay it on your belt. You can add glue for extra security. I'm just going to add some hot glue to be safe. Then we can do the exact same thing for the back. When you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Next, we want to take the rest of our cardboard pieces and use our gold tape to cover the outer edges, just like we did with the belt. When you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Next, we want to grab our gold printouts and scissors and cut them out. So I included a colored and non-colored playing cards. You don't need to use all of them, just use the ones you prefer. Okay, now it's time to take our glue stick and glue everything down onto our side plates. Alright, so just take a screenshot or whatever, but this is the look that we're going for. Our side plates are underneath here and underneath here, but hold on, before you glue everything, let me show you something really fast. Alright, before we start gluing, just add a couple of pieces of tape here and here. Alright, now let's get to it. Okay, next you want to take your scissors and your paper fastener and you want to cut the ends off of it. Then you want to add a little hot glue to the top of those fasteners, and then you can use it to embellish around your belt. Alright, and now that's pretty much it. Now let's go check out the final product. Alright y'all, now if you like this video, please hit that like and that share button, and head over to the Jazz and Marty Facebook page where we're always posting updates on DIY and craft videos. Whoa. Hold up, folks. We got some breaking news. Rich, hurry up. Pan the camera, too.